Good morning. Here we go. Everybody say good morning.
Come on, Dan.
Scooter, say good morning.
Say good morning. Good morning. I go insane.
We're doing a boat tour today.
Sorry, click right in a second.
No, I know.
And I should be fine. ¿Hay alguien adentro? ¿Puede ver aquí? Hay alguien adentro.
What did you get? Oh, the crispy maple. Gracias.
¿Así?
Yellow, fíchame, hay uno de queso.
Hello.
Did we go over the top of your birthday?
Don't eat the food yet.
Wow. Aw, that's so cute. This is your last birthday. ¿Eh? Con micro.
No, aquí.
Inside.
Inside?
Inside.
Inside.
Although I did say it was, I just said Zelda's birthday, I think. I didn't say it was.
Are you all here?
Yes.
First of all,
Look, they got you a cake.
happy birthday, Chris! You're welcome. Where you guys from?
New York.
Okay, I'm Italian. And my name is Sarah. I'm the organizer of the catering for today. So I know that some of you has intolerances, so let me present what I prepared for you. Gluten-free, you eat the most. This is all yours. Everything is gluten-free, okay? Okay, so vegan? Vegetarian?
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Darling, this is for you, okay? Beside this Spanish tapas with tortilla is for the person that doesn't eat pepper or pimienta. There you go. So you can eat everything else, and then this is yours.
Okay.
Perfect. So let me present what I made. For everyone else, we prepare our food with local ingredient only. From the bread, it's a gourmet bread coming only from Catalonia. You can find it only in gourmet restaurants. I'm Italian. I love to cook. I have to be honest. So you have the best jamon serrano, queso manchego with anchovies from Cantabria. Spanish tortilla is with potato, onion, red pepper, roasted red pepper, and sesame seeds. Hummus with breadstick. Then you have a mini burger, and then for you is the vegan option with red pepper hummus, avocado with olive, and pesto with sun-dried tomato.
Thank you.
Okay? So, and a beautiful cake. So for the cake, we present you two different cakes. The one on the left is gluten-free, only gluten-free. For everyone else, eat as much as you want. Alright? So, as we have an internal competition in Sailing Experience Barcelona, when you come back, we want to know which one is the best tapas you actually had. Alright? Fantastic. Well, let me present you to your guardian angel and mate Paul. And the captain? Captain. It's a busy captain. Miguel is the captain for today. So enjoy as much as you can. I'll see you when you come back.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
So guys, when we do
They're looking at you.
Yep, it's
Okay.
on me.
It's Saturday, but should I still send Zoe a picture?
Yeah. Oh, show you. Wait, it's Saturday?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what day it is.
Oh, don't work Saturday.
They will be soon, don't worry. We can lord it over.
There's probably off work on it. Okay. Chug, chug, chug.
I sailed from 6 hours away.
They like knocked on my door. The metal box actually. And they were like, open it. So I opened it with the button smeared off. I was like, motherfucker. It's 9 a.m. And then I had birthday cake for breakfast.
Birthday cake for breakfast.
No, that's not a bad thing.
We're not